Working in a chemistry lab and dealing with a SGNGL file from your mass spectrometer? These contain critical analytical data from Waters Scientific Instruments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Waters Singulair report files. We're going to solve this SGNGL issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below and we will revisit later on. An SGNGL file is a specialized report or data file generated by scientific software from Waters Corporation, often used in pharmaceutical and life sciences research. A user with this file is likely a scientist or lab technician analyzing data from experiments, possibly related to the drug Singulair, Montelukast. This is a proprietary, likely binary or structured text format designed to encapsulate complex scientific data, such as chromatography results or mass spectrometry readings. The format ensures data integrity and contains metadata about the experiment, instrument settings, and analysis parameters for regulatory purposes. Windows registers the SGNGL file as an opener for Waters Empower Chromatography data system developed by Waters Corporation. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows offers a limited snapshot, while accurate reading requires the original data handling software. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your SGNGL file and hit Open With. Try the recommended Waters Empower Chromatography data system first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. If the SGNGL file is still refusing to open, it's expected. General troubleshooting won't work on this SGNGL file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, opening in Singulair software. Launch Waters. Singulair software on your laboratory computer with the appropriate license. Use File then Open to load SGNGL report files. The software displays analytical results, including chromatograms, peak data, and quantitation tables. Review the data using Singulair's analytical tools for verifying results and generating compliance reports for laboratory documentation. Next, accessing through Empower, if integrated with Waters. Empower CDS access SGNGL files through the Empower client interface. Connect to the Empower database server and navigate to the project containing the report. Empower provides comprehensive data review tools, audit trails, electronic signatures, and report generation features for regulated pharmaceutical and clinical laboratory environments meeting 21 CFR Part 11 requirements. Finally, exporting to standard formats. Use Singulair or Empower export functions to convert SGNGL data to standard formats like PDF reports, CSV spreadsheets, or ANIML XML for archival and sharing. Select the desired data elements and export format. Standard format exports enable data sharing with collaborators, reviewers, or regulatory submissions outside the Waters software ecosystem. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.